This video is titled, From Text Overload to Divine Digital Presence. Have you ever tried to read a lengthy devotional on WhatsApp while rushing to start your day? Or spent hours creating videos that hardly anyone watches? Today, I'm going to share how AI transformed a struggling daily devotional into a digital ministry success story.
Pastor Yemi had a mission: spread spiritual wisdom through her Garment of Praise daily devotional. But there was just one problem. Her audience was drowning in text. Each morning, these thoughtful devotionals would vanish into the digital abyss of WhatsApp messages. Her followers, primarily people of African descent, found themselves squinting at tiny text during busy mornings. Like any determined spiritual leader, Pastor Yemi took matters into her own hands. "I'll start a YouTube channel," she declared. What followed was something many content creators will recognize. Waking up early for makeup, wrestling with lighting that somehow always looked funeral parlor chic, and recording take after take, only to produce videos that looked like they were filmed on a 2007 flip phone. After weeks of this exhausting ritual, Pastor Yemi abandoned her YouTube dreams. The devotionals returned to text format, and engagement continued to dwindle. That's when our paths crossed. Pastor Yemi needed a miracle, and I arrived with something better: artificial intelligence. What if, I proposed, your devotionals could be delivered by a digital version of yourself that never needs makeup, never flubs lines, and can record at 3 a.m. without complaint? The skepticism in her eyes was palpable. "You want to replace me with a robot?" "Not replace," I clarified. "Amplify. Think of it as having a digital twin who handles the performance while you focus on the message." The process was surprisingly simple. Step 1. I collected several professional headshots of Pastor Y. Step 2. I crafted a voice training script designed to capture her full vocal range. Step 3. Pastor Y recorded just 2 minutes of guided speech, far less painful than her previous recording marathons. Step 4. I fed these treasures into a top AI avatar creation tool for the visual avatar, and fine-tuned the voice with one of the best AI voice tools. My first attempt at voice cloning was, let's just say the AI initially made Pastor Y sound like she was preaching underwater. After creating a more structured script that captured a broad phonetic range and some careful processing, hallelujah, we had a match. The results were nothing short of miraculous. Production time plummeted from several hours to just minutes. Video quality jumped from pray for better resolution to professional grade. Pastor Yemi's abandoned YouTube channel can now rise from the digital dead. Consistency became automatic. The avatar never had a bad hair day. Even better were the responses from her audience. As one senior citizen put it, "I can now go about my home duties while listening to the daily devotional." Pastor Yemi herself testified, "Thank you for a good job. More grace and increased knowledge." In the digital age, sometimes spreading the word requires more than just words. While Pastor Yemi's devotionals were always divinely inspired, their delivery needed human innovation. By embracing AI tools, her small ministry achieved what once seemed impossible: consistent, professional, quality daily videos without the crushing production burden. Is your content stuck in text purgatory? Are you spending heavenly amounts of time on video production with hellish results? Book a free consultation today. I'll research your specific challenges and implement AI solutions that save you time, expand your reach, and maintain your authentic voice without the technical headaches. Remember, the message is yours. Let AI handle the delivery. If this video brought you value, do 3 quick things. Like it, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. HeyGen, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for being part of the community. I'll see you in the next one.